Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
West Isle is a small 26-unit gated community located in Little London, 50 minutes away from Negril's 7 Mile Beach and less than 10 minutes from Savalamar Town. There are 3 bedrooms, 2 bathroom, and 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom options available on over 6,000 square feet lots. This 1,662 square feet, 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom unit with modern design, spacious bedrooms, living, dining, kitchen, front and back patio offers plenty of room for expansion. Boasting remote access gate with nighttime security, a swimming pool, kids play area, gazebos, and plenty of green areas. This gated community is perfect for vacation homes and Airbnb, as it is 5 minutes away from the Jam West Adventure Park, which has activities such as zip lining, ATV tour, safari, etc. Some other features of this house includes porcelain flooring, garden area, water heater, swimming pool, main level entry, central location, family oriented, private settings, recreation nearby, seniors oriented, road paved, level lot, potential recreation, pets allowed, and gated community. The asking price of this unit is US $202,780 or Jamaican $31.2 million. Now, let's take a quick look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts.
Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.